Okay, let's paint a bike. First, we start with a sketch. For best results, throw your pencil in the air in slow motion. So I'm pretty good at drawing. Okay, so maybe I need to work on my drawing. Thank you, YouTube.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
Okay, now we're back on track. Sorry for the detour. I'm drawing doodles into a template that I created from my bike frame. When you're not sure what to draw snacks. We've got an apple holding a spoon, the Arc de Triomphe, and the character with two mouths. Don't forget your bike helmet. Oh man, I still haven't found that pen cap. I don't need to add color to the sketch, but it's a test for the final painting.
So you like donuts, eh? Well, have all the donuts in the world!
Time to break down the bike. Wear gloves or have grease hands for 3 days. I'm keeping the old chain to resize the new one. Pro tip, when taking apart a bike, keep everything and don't lose the bolts. We're going to use the old cable housing to resize the replacement cables. Woohoo! It's like we're a tiny bug flying through the frame. I'm going to sand all the paint layers off the frame, but not so deep that I hit the carbon. This is going to take forever. I'll need some help. We're using 3 types of sandpaper. The details are in the description below. It feels like I forgot something.
Oh, fork. Gotta be fucking kidding me.
Done with sanding. Time for primer. I'm gonna have a snack while this thing gets sprayed. The snack for today is a blue flying peanut butter M&M. It's coming along. I cut the template into sections so I could stick it onto the bike frame. We're going to transfer the sketch to the frame with carbon transfer paper. And voila! It's time to paint, and we're using POSCA paint pens. Let's make a mess. I love me a good shake montage, so here we go. How'd we get up here? This is going to take a while. Let's skip ahead. We've got to do the other side too. I could really go for a pink frosted donut right now for some reason. This is getting a little boring, so I've invited dancing bears to entertain you. Enjoy. The first take didn't go smoothly. It's okay, the bear is fine. He's still fine, don't worry. Adding lines is the best part. Don't worry, that was a soft landing. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you enjoyed the video, let the YouTube algorithm know by liking it, commenting below, and sharing it with a friend. I'm going to post a longer video about tips and mistakes, so keep an eye out for that. And there are links below to all the materials I used. The back half of the frame is going to be all white. Something special for the bike has arrived. YouTube bottle cage installation coming up. Enjoy the reveal and thanks for watching. On the right is a French fry pirate. This carrot makes you more aerodynamic. See, the bear is doing all right. Cheers, thanks for watching this. I really like the original paint job too, so let me know in the comments below whether I should paint it back. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you on the road.